So now you've taken different courses, you've gotten the necessary skills, you need to be a virtual assistant or to work remotely, but you don't know the service that you can actually offer. I get it. We've all been there. Most of us, we've been feeling stuck. We've gotten the skills, but we don't know how to position ourselves for clients to find us. In this video, we'll be breaking down the different niches that you and services that you can offer as a virtual assistant. Hi guys, welcome back to my page. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Love. I'm a social media VA, so I like to share content on freelancing, social media management, and different tips and tricks that you can use for your social media as a business owner, as a creator. And also I like to share lifestyle. I love to cook as well, so I share a little bit of that. Everything valuable, good content. So if this is something you would like, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe guys. This will help me do what I do. Thank you. So now, without wasting time, let's dive right in. Some of the top niches or services you can offer as a virtual assistant or a freelancer. First off, we have general and administrative VA. They help busy entrepreneurs or businesses with their day-to-day operations like email management, calendar management, appointment setting, data entry, research, travel booking. And they mostly use tools like Google Workspace or Microsoft Workspace, Asana, Zoom for communication, or Slack or even WhatsApp for their communication, as well as calendar scheduling tools like maybe Calendly or even Google Calendar. Next, we have social media and content management VA. So this is like two in one. They help to manage and grow customer social media presence, and they also assist with blog posts and content operation. So this is like a two-in-one niche. You can pick anyone that suits your skills. You can help in services like content scheduling, hashtag research, community engagement, analysis reports, uploading blog posts, SEO, optimization, image sourcing, and they use tools like WordPress, Grammarly, Canva for basic templates designs, Metro Business Tools, Metrical for scheduling posts, Buffer, Letter, and different other tools. Next, we have e-commerce VA. They handle tasks related to online store management, like product listing, order processing, customer service, review management. They use tools like Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, Zendesk for communication, Intercom, all or Fresh Decks. All these are for customer support. Next, we have creative and design VA. They help with video editing and heavy graphic design. And they use tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Figma, Canva, CapCut, DaVinci, Final Cut Pro, and all of those, nice tools to make the whole they also do podcast editing and all of that. Next, we have customer support VA. They handle customers' inquiry, resolve issues, responding to emails, tracking tickets, handling basic technical issues related to products, just to help with the regular or operations of a company. And they use tools like Zendesk, FreshDesk, Google Workspace as well, Intercom, and different CRM tools like Hotspot, Salesforce, Zoho CRM, and different live support tools like Intercom, live chat support. And finally, on our list, we have real estate VAs that help to support real estate agents with basic admin and sales tasks like cold calling, CRM updates, property listing, appointment setting. And they use tools like Zillow, Realtor.com, Canva, different CRM tools, HubSpot, Zendesk, Slack for communication, Google Workspace, and all of that. Start listing all these various services and niches. Most times you can be confused. You have different skills from different niches, or we know how to do 4 services from this niche, 4 service from this niche, and all of that. It's okay to try out different things until you figure out the exact one that you know you want to stick to. It's okay to start as a general VA and you're doing customer support as well, but eventually you have to niche down because it's good to be an expert in your field. So that way you can easily position yourself as an expert in your field. You develop yourself more in that particular area. Like me, I started out doing customer service and admin, but I found out that I have a flair for social media. So I decided to stick to social media management and video editing. So it's okay to start doing different services, but eventually it's important for you to niche down. So this brings us to the end of this video. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, a like, and drop a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one.